The black drongo is a highly vocal bird capable of producing a wide and versatile repertoire of sounds. Its vocalization range from harsh metallic scalding notes to melodious fluid chattering and distinctive sharp two-note call. It is known for their intelligence and vocal flexibility. Mated pairs will frequently engage in coordinated, lengthy duets early in the morning to establish their territory. Remarkably, the black drongo is also accomplished mimic. It frequently imitates the calls of predator birds like Shikra to scare other birds away, allowing the drongo to swoon in and easily steal their abundant foods.